Hello guys. So I wanted to come and give a reading for this week. Mercury Retrograde is going to be starting, well, it actually has started today, October 13th. So I wanted to get a reading for the collective on what we should be focusing on with the Mercury Retrograde that we have, that is lasting until November the 4th, I believe. Okay, guys? So let's get. And I am using the Soul's Journey lesson cards, the Oracle deck. I really like it. Okay. Um, it really puts everything into perspective for me. It really puts everything into perspective. Okay. And this is just going to be just a pull for us what we need to concentrate on for the rest of October. That's what we'll do. For the rest of October, what do we need to concentrate on as a collective? There's so much stuff going on in the world, and so we need to, if we could learn how to all harness this energy that we have going on and work together, we can fix all of this stuff that we have going on. But it's going to take a lot of us putting our egos to the side for that purpose. Not saying to get rid of your ego, but I'm saying for the purpose of what's going on, if we all can come together as a collective with a solution, it'll definitely pan out. Okay? Alright. So what do we have? Relationships. Okay? That's the energy that I have. I'm going to also pull the bottom card energy, because I just want to see what that one says. Okay, that one says balance. Alright? So let me read off what those are from the guidebook of the deck, so you guys can know what we're working with. Okay? The card that was pulled was relationships. And for that card, give me just a second, relationships. Okay, I am attracted to those people who serve my higher good. Perfect, right? I just said that. In this three-dimensional world in which we live, there is a sense that we are separate from one another, and also that we meet by chance. I love when good intuition comes and just like, yes, you're on point. This is an illusion. The people in our lives are drawn to us and here for a reason. It is through it is through sharing experiences and having relationships with others that we begin to understand ourselves. When someone appears in your life, you must see what is not resolved or whole in the person and understand the lessons he or she brings home to you. You draw others to you like magnets in order to learn various aspects of yourself. The people you have close relationships with on earth are usually members of your soul family. You have chosen to incarnate together to help each other learn lessons. So true. Even though it may not seem that way to you now. Once a lesson is learned, don't be surprised if that person fades away. People are in your life for a reason, a season, or a lifetime. That was so on point. That was the beginning card that I pulled, relationships. Okay, so on point. All right, and balance is the bottom card that I pulled. So it's like our subconscious energy. And balance says, I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. Balance means bringing a sense of stability and wholeness into every area of your life. Many times when you look at a situation objectively, you will only resonate with one side more than the other. Try not to view either as good or bad, but simply recognize that it is. The true nature of the scales of balance is to give both sides of a situation your equitable, objective perspective. It can be difficult to understand the side that you don't relate to, but that is a lesson in itself. What it what is it about you that prevents you from giving both sides of the coin your non-judgmental assessment? This situation or person has been placed in your path to teach you that everyone has his or her own unique, authentic life story, and you must put yourself in that person's shoes to really understand his or her motivation. Balance is a godly virtue, and if it is struck, you will reap the benefits of insight and compassion. Y'all, that was so on point from what I just said before I started recording. So there you go, guys. That's our reading for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, bye bye.